Hey friends, Kip and Christina Steinberg here. Superstar directors for Scentsy Fragrance. The Fresh Sense of Smell Air is our team. It says tag friends. I'm gonna tag Kip. Do you think it should? It's really weird when it knows that you're in the video with me. I did it, okay. I tagged my friend. Are you happy now? Hi guys. I almost ended the video. That was really bad. I didn't though. Hi friends. Hi Carrie. Hi Candy. Hello Jane. Hi Kimber. Hi Tiffany. Hi Shantae. Hello 29 of you so far. Hi. Okay, so I got my new season sales kit in, both wax and warmers, and I wanted to show you guys the warmers, and then I want to let you peep the really, really pretty artwork on the princess and Disney bars, because it's awesome, right? So we're going to show you the brand new warmers first. I'll let you start opening that one. Okay. This is Country Canister. The warmers and the scents I'm going to show you are available on September 1st, which is in like 9 days?
Almost a week.
Stand goal achieved. Thank you.
Stand goal.
I'm sitting.
That's quite an achievement.
It is quite the achievement. That might be the only thing I get done every day. Hey. Hi. So we're going to open some of these brand new warmers, which have not been seen before. So I've got Rustic Garden. I've got the tin can warmer, the tin can star one. I've got Crystal Ice, which I'm very excited about. He's got, which one did you open?
The
little chalk one?
The Country Canister.
Country Canister. No. Yeah? Okay. And then I have Gathered Together. Super cute. Hi, Kelly. So, hi, Stephanie. So we're going to show these to you. This one right here is called Country Canister. This is an element warmer, and it's blank chalkboard, so you can write whatever you want on it. I think I'm going to put this one out and write boo and put it like next to Rustic Jack. I think it'd look really cool with the word boo like on it with chalk, right?
Yeah.
Be super cute. So it actually does come with chalk. Did you find it in there?
Oh my gosh.
It comes with chalk. There's a little stick. And then there's actually a chalk holder on
right
here.
there.
How cool is
Look at that?
It's a little chalky chalk.
Look at that.
And then there's a chalk holder built into the warmer, so you don't have to go looking for your chalk, and you can change your message at any time. Is that not the cutest? And it is really little and adorable, if you can't tell. But yeah, it's got this little easy, cute little chalk area. So I think I'm gonna put this next to our Rustic Jack over on our hutch and like write boo, and like I can change it for everything, right?
Yeah.
You can write Noel on it, right?
Noel
at Christmas. So this one is really, really cute. Goes with your decor, but you can change the message seasonally, right? So I'm very excited about that one. That one's Country Canister.
Chalk.
With chalk. Did you take it out of the, you took it out of the cardboard? Yeah. Just in case you weren't sure what chalk looked like. G took it all the way out for you.
Scentsy.
Chalk one up. Shut up. Shut up. Okay.
Oh my God.
I want to let's open the tin can stars. Tin can stars. Hi, friends. So that was, what was that one? Country Canister, right?
Canister.
I'll let you try to put that one away since you took it out. That way you don't
Put it away.
Weird.
Put it away,
Hi, Brooke. Hi, Katie. I know. I love Kip. What does it smell like? The warmer or the chalk?
The chalk.
Describe it, please. Okay. This one is called Tin Can Stars. This one is not an element. That one was, the last one we showed you was an element, so it doesn't have a bulb in it. This one is a light bulby one, and it's really cool because it's got pinholes in it.
It's quite light bulby.
Light bulby. It's a light bulby one.
A light bulby one.
Yes, the chalk, Kirsty says.
It smells.
Hello.
Smells chalky.
Okay, so this one's really cute, really easy to get out.
Oh.
I think I might plug this one in. Is that cool?
I'm terrible at putting warmers back.
I know, that's why you're supposed to pay attention to how you take them out.
I did.
No, you didn't.
I did too.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. You're supposed to pay attention. You know what's really cool? Dawn Rust, Spice Dawn to all of you. She does videos on how to put warmers back into boxes.
That's actually a
because she knows. She knows.
She
Especially
knows.
now that when I first started Scentsy, warmers came in all the same size boxes with all the same size inserts because warmers were all the same size. And now Scentsy is really amazing, and they make really cool warmers in different styles and shapes and goodness that we have to worry about things like putting things back into the box right.
Yep.
I know. That sign is so old. I was telling him right before we started the video, I was like, I need to change the dang sign. That's our Easter sign.
Yeah.
You take that title of a smart bum? I don't know what I said. I don't remember this.
We all need a smart bum in the group.
I take that title seriously, very seriously.
Very seriously.
Oh, smart word.
I get it.
Ah, yeah. Okay, hold this. Don't drop it. I'll kill you.
Don't.
Okay. Make sure my butt doesn't show.
It's not showing.
Okay. Sweet. Tin can stars. Is that not the cutest? Do you see the little pinholes? I had to turn this one on because you just would not have been able to see it.
Hang on.
Really, like otherwise. Oh, are you going to turn off the lights? We're going to make this an experience.
It's extra.
Is this not the prettiest stinking warmer? I know you guys want it now, don't you? Is it so cute? Love it. Look at the stars. The stars. Just look at the stars. Just look at the stars.
Would you just look at it?
Just look at the stars.
Yeah.
Look at them. Goodness, they're just so pretty. Love that one. I feel like we need to change out like all our warmers in our house.
Yeah, that one's pretty nice.
This one's really nice. I have two of these. They gave us this at reunion as well. So
wow.
I know.
Double the
I know.
stars.
I love it. It looks like a tin can that somebody has like
punched.
It's so cool. I love it. So that's that one. There you go. This was called Tin Can Stars.
Tin can.
Okay. So there's that one. It's turning the lights back on. We're done having our moment. I'll let you try to put that one away. That one's really straightforward.
Okay.
It would be a cute nightlight for a kid's room, Haley says. That is true. Yes. Yes. It's such a cute warmer. It's way cuter than, like, I love warmers in real life. I feel like the pictures just don't, like, it's hard to see what a warmer's going to look like in pictures. So somebody told me my little Ray down area over there, Kip, that I needed this warmer for that. They told me that today. So we'll see.
Hey, okay. I gotta get put away.
Oh, get it put away. Okay.
This is
Getting messy. This is really cute.
Cray.
So this one's called Gather Together. This is another element warmer coming September 1st. Hi, Anna. Hi, Whitney. So this one's really cute, actually. Very small again. I love these smaller warmers. Like, look how adorable this is. It says Gather Together. Very beautiful and fall. This one might go really well next to Rustic Jack too. I'm just gonna decorate in warmers this year. Is that okay? I'm just gonna decorate in warmers because they're all really, really cute and they match our house a lot. Like, especially like our kitchen and our hutch where we have some of these like farmy things. But look how pretty this guy is. It's like etched in there really pretty and it's got like your little worn, rusticy, just cuteness. And it's an element, so the stuff goes in there. The Scentsy stuff, that Scentsy stuff that you put in this, it goes in there.
The good smelling stuff.
The good smelling things. So it goes in there. Dude, fruit flies. Anyone else right now? Loving the sign behind you. Everyone still loves it. We've had that sign up since Easter. And I keep forgetting to change the message on it. I literally almost took it down on Monday and put a new message on it. But then I was like, I don't really know what message I want. And so I didn't. And then before this video, I was like, I need to change the sign, Kip. It's been up there since Easter.
April,
so,
right?
April or March or whenever Easter was. But probably March. I don't remember. Been up there for a hot minute, friends. So I was like, I need to change the sign. Okay, so that was Gather Together, Country Canister, and Tin Can Stars.
Yes.
Next we've got, I'm going to save the Crystal Ice for last.
Ice.
I know. They love it. I know. You guys do love it. I'll put something equally as awesome. Maybe. You guys will have to look out for it. I did the pumpkin warmer last week. So do the scrolly.
Over the weekend.
I did it over the weekend. This is my new season sales kit. So these are the 5 warmers that we could get early before customers could get them, which is really fun. Fun consultant perks. So these don't come out until September 1st, but I got my paws on them early. This is called Rustic Garden. Ooh, this is packaged like Rustic Jack was. So this is that galvanized steel, that Rustic Jack. This is interesting how this is packaged. So it's packaged a lot like Rustic Jack was, where the dish was just laying in it with like cardboard. Because it is a really lightweight metal warmer, just like Rustic Jack, it literally matches him perfectly. So it's got the galvanized metal, it's got the little watering can thing, and it's got the rusty spots on it. I like the little rusty star.
Lots of tin warmers coming out.
Well, I think it's just these two. But it really matches.
Rustic Jack and the punch one.
Well, that's not really a tin. That's not made. These are actually made of
Tin.
Yeah.
Or is that aluminum?
I don't know.
That's tin.
But it's really lightweight and metal, just like Rustic Jack is. Really, really pretty. So the light is actually going to come through this. I feel like I need to turn it on so that can be realized here. Y'all, I think I'm going to turn it on for you. My only issue is, do you have your knife? No. I can't get this unlocked. Let's see if I can open the end again. So this is packaged really interestingly. Hi, Uncle Paul. Hi, Sarah Ford. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in because I think it's going to be really cool to see how it comes through that like mesh cage on the front. Okay. Will you hold the warmer?
Oh.
That's what I
got
said
it.
that. Actually, that's funny. Here's the bulb. I'll let you do that while I'm plugging it in. And then I'll shock you. Okay.
I shock you. Oh, almost lost it again.
I said hold on to the warmer. You had one job.
Actually, I had 2 jobs. Hold on to the warmer
Okay,
and
yeah, that's
put
true. You had 2
the
jobs.
bulb in.
Hi, friends. Welcome, welcome. We're opening my new season sales kit. Hi, Kid Brown. New season sales kit. These are the warmers I got early that consultants could grab up before they were available for customers. Pretty legit perks. So this is the Rustic Garden one, and it's made of that galvanized metal. It's really
Rustic
cool.
Garden.
So the light comes through this like mesh cage. It's very bright at you, but it's not that bright in person.
There it is.
Well, I guess it is bright. It looks a lot like Rustic Jack. It's really cool how it comes through the top like he does. There we go. You can kind of see that. But yeah, so the light comes through that front part. Oh, cool. Look at the wall.
Would you look at that?
Look at Kip's face. Look at the
There
wall.
it is.
Look at his face. Now look at the wall. Look at his face again. Now look at the wall. Isn't that so cool? So this is the Rustic Garden warmer. It had all this plastic as well. I was like, do you have a knife for this? Because I can't get it off. It's just on there. It's fine. Everything's fine. Okay, I'm just going to lay that in there for now.
Oh man, this is another gonna be.
Oh, he already started opening the Crystal Ice one. This one I'm very excited about. I've had more people stop on this warmer in the catalog than anyone else, so I'm very happy to have it early. But this is the Crystal Ice. Oh, this is pretty.
I almost divulged it early.
Oh no. Oh no, he
There's
almost
no way
did.
I'm gonna package this correctly.
Okay, this is beautiful. Smells. Smell it. Like not in a bad way. It like smells like something you want to keep smelling.
Smells like chemicals. Here.
Deidre Strickler. Hello.
Hi y'all.
Hi y'all. Hi Melissa. Hi friends. This is the last one. This is Crystal Ice. This matched, India says this matched my master bedroom. Okay, so this is Crystal Ice. Oh, that's cool. You got the dish on right. Look at you, first try. That was some talent. Okay, this is Crystal Ice off. It's just a beautiful, like, blue, like, geode pretty warmer. But it's actually, like, I don't know if you can tell that it, like, goes from, like, purpley, like,
Yeah.
it's, like, got that oil spilly, like,
Got a
translucency, like, it's really pretty. It's kind of prismy. Isn't that so pretty? So we're gonna turn this on because we love you and we want you to see it. It actually has an Edison bulb in it, which I think is really surprising. So it's got an Edison bulb in it, which I think is really a cool choice. I think it's going to make the light look really like carnival glass just says. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. I love this one. I don't know where we'd put it though. I'll let you hold on to that. And you're gonna have to follow me a little bit.
We're gonna put it someplace.
Because it's beautiful. Okay, are we ready? Whoa. Seriously. Can you see how amazing that is? Is that not like just gorgeous? I love that it has the Edison bulb in it. Like, I wish you could tell how crystal clear it makes this glass. Like, It's like blue and prismy and just, oh, I wish you could really see it. It is beautiful. It is a stunner, right? So it like on is really, how would you describe that? I wish I could like show this to you better. I'm gonna move the camera. This is something I don't normally do.
It's much clearer with
I'm turning it around because I just think that you need to like, I wish there was a way for me to, yeah, that looks way better. Do you see that?
So
see how pretty that is? Sorry guys.
It's very clear. It's
hopefully not, yeah.
Not like, I don't know how to explain it. It's blue glass, but it's clean. It's clear all the way through.
Yeah, it's really beautiful. Super beautiful. Hi, Heidi. Yeah, really a cool warmer. So I had to turn that around for you because I was like, this, you can't see it. Like, the selfie camera just is not high enough quality for me to like show that to you properly. You see how much different that looks up close, so. Beautiful. Beautiful. Katie says, Nathan's gonna have to be okay with another warmer. I know, Katie. This dish is really deep too. It is a 4 for wax. If you guys don't know, if any of you newer warmers, if you ever get them, they tell you how much wax to put in the dish in order to have it last the longest and smell the strongest. So this one's a 4 dish, which is deep and really awesome. So, and it has the Edison bulb, which I love the Edison bulbs. So it's really cool. It's already warming up, which is good.
Very good.
That's so pretty. Where are we gonna put that, Kip? I don't know if I can let you guys have this one. This is amazing.
That could be replacing the one in the, I don't know, next to the coffee maker.
I know, but you love that one too.
Or up there on the...
Like someday we're going to buy a bigger house because we are running out of room for warmers. Like that one over there eventually.
Yeah, we could put that one over there.
Okay, we're in love, if you can't tell. So 4 cubes, yes. She's redecorating a room for that warmer. Dude, I don't blame you. It is beautiful. Let me get this unplugged, make sure I don't drop it. Cool, okay. So last thing I want to do is show you guys, before we cut out of here, what the Princess and Disney waxes look like in bar form, because they're really pretty. I got my new season wax sales kit as well. So I got one of each bar early, hashtag consultant perks. So every new fragrance, I got one of them early, along with those 5 warmers we were allowed to grab early. And then they're not for sale for you guys until September 1st. But consultants, you can go grab them now if you want. So I'm going to show you guys the Princess wax and then the Disney wax. They're just really pretty. We've already done a first sniffs of these, but I just felt like you guys had to see how pretty the artwork was on these. So this is Belle, Enchanted Rose. This is Mulan, True to Your Heart. This is Ariel, Under the Sea, or as Everett calls it, a funeral with a bunch of apples all over it. It doesn't, I mean, I can see why he thinks that. It smells like, because it's like that,
you walk into a funeral parlor and...
I can see why, like if they had a lot of like flowers at that funeral.
Florally smell.
But honestly, I don't associate it like that. I would associate one of the others, but that one's more of like a...
It smells like dead people.
So this is Cinderella. It sounds like, how does he know? And I'm like, unfortunately, our kid's been to a few funerals. This is 100 Acre Wood, super cute with Winnie the Pooh and Piglet on it. And then we've got Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Look how pretty those are. They're just super cute. I love that it's kind of the vintage Minnie and the vintage Mickey.
Yep.
You took this one. I wasn't done. And this is Eliza's favorite.
The Dory.
The Dory. She loves this one. So anyone who missed my first sniffs, I did already upload that to my YouTube channel. So if you would like to go back and find that, this one's so good. It's like very Melanie. You guys are welcome to go watch that.
A lot. The Dory one's very good.
So, and then this is probably gonna go up there too. So thanks guys. Like I said, those were the 5 warmers that consultants could grab early. And then we got the new season sales kit of wax. So I have one of every bar that we've been enjoying, but I really wanted to show you guys the really beautiful Disney artwork for these bars. It's just so cool seeing that classic bar shape and then it having Disney on it. It's really surreal. It has not quite hit me yet. I think once my customers start ordering this and I get it like in orders, it's gonna really hit me. So have a good night. Thanks for watching and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.